Hi everyone, my name is Kelly Rose. This is my Human Resource Framework. First of all, the Human Resource Framework, according to Bullman and Deal, the main goal is to align organizational and human needs. The organization works as a family and focuses on the skills, abilities of members, attitudes, teamwork, and communication. The leader's job is to meet the needs of all members. And when there's a good fit, it benefits everyone. The members find meaningful work and the organization gets the talent needed for success. This is my hierarchy. Obviously, I have principal at top. The principal is the leader, the catalyst, organizer of everything. And then next I have student and teachers kind of at the same. I put students above it just a little bit just because I feel like students are kind of the reason why we're here in the first place. They are the reason we're here. They are the customers per se of our business, and the teachers are the ones that directly meet the needs of the students. And there are no students without teachers and vice versa. In the next tier, I have parents, office staff, and paras. I call these like the supports for all the students. The parents are there to support the students at home. The office staff is there to support the students, and then the paras are there to meet the needs of all the students, create interventions for students if need be, and that sort of thing. On the next tier, I have the cooks, custodial, and maintenance staff. They are kind of considered, in my eyes, the foundation of the school. They do have limited contact with students, and usually they have their, minus the cooks, have their own leadership hierarchy. Usually the custodials have another, leader that they follow as well as the principal. And then as for the community and alumni, I put them at the bottom. They're still extremely important, but they have little effect on like the day-to-day at the school, and they're not directly led by the principal. So I feel like they should, kind of be they don't need as much leadership from the principal. And there it is. Thank you.